Hello everyone. So today we are going to see the executive commission feature. First, you need to enable and configure the settings. So go to the settings and enable the executive commission plugin. Once you click on it, you will see a few options. Here you can choose whether the commission is common or product wise. Then enter the percentage commission. Next, select how the commission should be calculated, whether it is based on invoice, receipt, or job sheet. Choose any one option and click Save. So that's it. The setup is complete. Now let me show you how it works. Go to the job sheet. You can create a new one or update an existing one. So here, map the executive name. Then save the job sheet. Once the job sheet is completed and the invoice is generated, go to the reports. Click on this executive commission report. So here you will see the list of executives. Select any executive. Now you can view the detailed report including invoice number, invoice date, total value and the commission value. So this report will help you easily track and manage executive commissions. Thank you for watching.